In this video, I'm going to show you how I create a video file for one of my songs that I can upload to YouTube. And I have a MacBook Air and I'm using iMovie, which is free. I think on a PC you can use Movie Maker, I think it is. There's also other paid programs you can use like Camtasia and whatnot, but I just use the built-in iMovie. It just works really great. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to grab the image that I want to use for my song. And so I'm going to grab this single and I'm going to look up Pray cover because we designed a specific single cover for this, Pray single cover. Let's just check that out. Yep, that's the right file. I'm going to drag this into iMovie. I'm going to click on it right here. And then I'm going to click on this crop button up here, and I'm going to make it so it fits to the screen because I just want to have this image playing the whole time when I'm playing the song here. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to drag my music because if I play this, all it is showing the image. And so I'm going to go to my Finder. I'm going to look up Pray Mastered because that's the name of the file. There's the Pray Mastered MP3. I could throw in the WAV if I wanted to as well, but I'm just going to put the MP3 as fine as far as sound quality. I drag that in very easily, and it's playing the song. Now, the thing is, I've got to drag this image now so that it fills the other screen. So I'm going to drag this little button here, and this makes the view a lot smaller so I can see the whole song. So I'm going to now click on this image, and I'm going to click it so it goes right there, and I'm going to click and drag this all the way to the very end of the song so it matches up. Boom, done. Now the song is in there and the image is in there. Now all I have to do is click export. So I click on this button up here, share, and then I want to share the file. And then I want it to be 1080. I could go smaller if I wanted to, and that's what I am going to do because I don't think it needs to be a huge size as far as the resolution and whatnot because it's just an image. So I'm going to click 540p. I'm going to click next. It says it's going to be 207 megabytes, but I think it's going to be a lot smaller than that. So I'm going to click next. I'm just going to save this to my desktop, and I'm just going to call this Pray YouTube Demo Video Song. And you can just put the name of your song, whatever you want. I'm going to click save. And this little circle here, I'll show you how long it's going to take to export. I might just fast forward this video while it does that. Okay, it is done exporting. So I'm going to click on show this file. And so there's the file right there, Pray YouTube Demo Video Song. I'm just going to hit spacebar on this. Alright, so I've got my MP4 and it's only 19 megs. I knew it was going to be a lot smaller. So now let's go to YouTube, and I'm going to click on new page. I'm going to go to youtube.com, and I'm already logged into my account here, as you can see. And so I'm just going to click upload, and I'm going to schedule this as a scheduled post to come out. I don't know, it's January 5th, so I'm going to schedule that to come out a week later. So now I'm going to go to my Finder. I'm going to drag this file, I'm going to tab back over, and I'm going to drop it right in there. Boom. And it starts uploading. And while this is uploading, this is a good time for you to fill out your title, your description, maybe add some tags if you haven't set up your defaults tag yet, which I teach you. If you want to add this to a playlist, I like to create playlists for my albums. This is part of the Reborn album, so I would just click on here and add that to the Reborn playlist that I created. Again, you got to go through this whole course to make sure you're doing everything that I teach you. And again, I can schedule this post to go out next week if I wanted to, or later today, whatever your plan is. And of course, I can always type a message into my fans and say, hey, check out this new song, Pray. Exclamation mark, whatever. So anyways, I'm not going to actually update this right now. I can also do my custom thumbnail if I want to. So there's a lot of stuff you can do while it's processing and getting ready. And then look at this. It's already given me the link so that I can promote it right here. I can highlight that, copy and paste it, doing Command C on a Mac, Control C on a PC, and then I can go to my social media or my blog, like my Facebook manifest, and I can always just promote that on Facebook and start promoting it. Okay, so I hope that shows you how easy it is to create music or create a video file for your music using iMovie and uploading it to YouTube. Less than like 10 minutes to do that whole thing. And so you want to make sure you upload all your songs to YouTube.